In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a poll on YouTube. To be able to add a poll on YouTube, you need to have at least 500 subscribers. If you have that, then go ahead and open up the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on the plus button at the bottom. You should then see an option for create a post. Tap this. Now enter in the question related to your poll. Once you have the question ready, you'll notice in the bottom left there is a little graph. This is the poll option, so tap on this. Then tap in the sections you want for your poll. If you need to add another option, then you will see in blue it says add another option. You can also schedule this by hitting the clock icon in the top right just below where it says post if you want to schedule it. If you want to go ahead and post it straight away, then just hit the post option at the very top right, and that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.